Back up. Good. That's good. Phil. Right, we just anchored in Hope Town. I believe we got to go in there, get in town. So we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go into town and get some provisions and just check out the town. So. All right, we docked at the dinghy dock here. We're gonna go into town. We brought garbage, but apparently you can't drop it off here, so
Can't do it at home.
we'll have to do it somewhere else.
Weird.
But we're gonna go into town, find some groceries and food. Vernon's place?
Yes,
It's called Vernon's place grocery store. The pretty bear. Some eggs. No eggs here? Alright, so a couple hours they're gonna get a boat's gonna come in with more food, so we'll check it out then. Little cemetery kind of all rotting away here. A few graves. We're just going up to the beach here on the other side from where we came. We're just checking out from what I hear.
Stopped at one of those.
Captain Jack, our food's coming out here. We got some burgers. We got some curry, curry chicken, some burgers, soup. We are hungry. We're gonna eat. There's the lighthouse we're gonna go to. We just finished lunch, and we're gonna come back because the grocery store didn't have any food left, but the barge which just delivered food, we seen him come in, so we know he's here, so we're gonna give him some time to load up the store and we'll come back. Wish us luck or don't, whatever. Yeah. We're gonna go do some snorkeling and fishing, see what we can catch for supper. Haven't had any luck yet so far, but maybe today is the day. See what we can see. We're going out there by that point, so not too far. See what's in here. Okay, shut her off. So we were just fishing in this hole right here. You can kind of see an outline, and there was a golf cart wrecked down there and a mast of a boat, so there's a bunch of fish, and so we were just hunting there, and all of a sudden I shot at a fish and I got him, just a small fish, and all of a sudden about a 7-8 foot tiger shark came in, so we said see you later and we got back in the boat. So it was pretty cool to see a tiger shark, especially that big, but yeah, we didn't want to stick around, so that was what just happened. Unfortunately, I didn't have my camera with me to film it, but yeah, it was pretty cool.
That would have been crazy.
Yeah, scary? Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
A little worried when you got a fish on
Yeah.
the spear in the water.
What are we doing today?
Well, we left the boat to leave him some space to do some schoolwork, and Drew had some work to do, so we are in town. We're gonna just look around, and we gotta figure out a ferry for tomorrow to get to Marsh Harbor, so we're gonna pull in here, maybe ask some people. There's nobody here, so we'll go to the dinghy dock. Oh, we're just gonna dock at this lower public dock to see the schedule and how we catch a ferry. I'm not sure if you have to buy a ticket before or after, I don't know. Lower public dock. So this is from Marsh Harbor to and from Hope Town, so not really any information at the time, so we'll probably leave at Hope Town to Marsh. We'll probably leave at 12:30 or 1:30.
All these houses have little names.
Tranquil Landing. Just muggy stuff.
What's this one? Hope Town Lighthouse. What is it?
Tranquil Cottage.
Tranquil Cottage. Spinner's Purpose. Pineapples. The cutest little cottages. A trail to a beach. Go have a look.
Town canvas. Probably have some bags and souvenirs, so we'll go have a look. Could be. Got some bags made out of probably sails. Oh, that's cool. So we are gonna head to, what is the grocery store called? We're gonna go to the grocery store. I forget what it's called. Leonard's or no, I forget. We're gonna go there, see if we can get some nachos for tonight. And I'm not sure if we're just looking around, touring the town. We're going to Vernon's, not Leonard's. It's called Vernon's. We were here yesterday, got some stuff. Have a look. No nacho chips. Not much of anything there. And that's what we were told before we came here. It was pretty sparse, but we got a few things yesterday. Enough for a couple days, but what do you got?
Pina colada.
Pina colada. We are at Jack's. This is where we went for supper yesterday. We stopped here for a drink and we ordered pina coladas And then we got some mahi fingers. So our mahi, what are they called? Strips?
Yeah. Fingers.
Fingers? Really good.
Well, you know, I say I'm excited and I am, but there's a little bit.
Good? What?
What's happening?
Head back to the boat. Finished up in Hope Town. Didn't accomplish too much. Got some snacks and a drink. And yeah, going to the boat, and then we're heading to Manabor Island.
Bye, Hope Town. Captain Jack.
Today and come anchor here for night. We're gonna anchor right out there by that boat, close to the beach. Should be sheltered and breezy out here. Everybody's hanging out. Josie's working her butt off.
And it's a little wavy.
That one's Josie's. Are you getting in?
No, you got
Oh, want me to get in? Okay. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna get us going?
What?
You're gonna untie the rope?
Yep.
Okay.
Our last day.
I know, it's sad.
Last evening, yeah.
I'm sad that you're leaving. I'm like, it's nice to have people to like live the
Daddy,
life.
can I drive?
And there's gonna be
You'll like to have your space back.
Yeah, I'd have a routine back with your kids.
There's no routine. That's what you're talking
Daddy, but Daddy.
All right, we're heading to the beach over there. We're gonna check it out, have a little relaxation, a few drinks. Yeah, you probably don't want to walk on that. Is that the beach she's talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, this is Friday, our last night here on the boat, and we got probably our best evening weather, sun setting. What do you think?
Gonna miss this. Gonna
Yeah.
miss it.
That's the beach we're at over there. Hey there.
Right on the corner.
This is like
So today is our last day. We're leaving in like a half hour. Drew's making us eggs,
And
which
Rob.
is very nice of him. Didn't have to do that. Tammy's pouring some coffee.
One of my friends.
And we gotta go out there, catch a ferry to Marsh Harbor, which is over there. So it's probably just I don't know if it's 15-20 minute ferry ride to Marsh Harbor. Our plane doesn't leave till 3:50, but we got to catch the ferry at 11:30. So no, 11. So yeah, it's all coming to an end. We had a bit of a get together last night for Cammie's birthday, who was on that boat, I think. Yeah, that boat. Yeah, so it was a good last night. Good sleep, and yeah, we're gonna miss this place, but all good things come to an end, I suppose. Oh.
Are you sure you guys don't want to stay?
That good?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I have a hug? I'm leaving. I'm gonna miss you.
See you, Roddy. Thanks for all the driving us around and snorkeling.
That was fun. I really love that. The shark was amazing.
Do I get a hug? Oh, I'm gonna miss your snuggles.
Hey, Walton. I want a hug too.
Do I get a hug, Presley?
Oh, let's see, buddy. Thanks for everything, you guys. Thanks for letting us use your room. Here's the ferry taking us to Marsh Harbor.